Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y and first the derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. Now we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative 2s next to y, that is for integrating factor. So I will put this one on here. And this one we have e to the power of negative s squared. After we do this integration in here, so we multiply both sides by this one. This one we have number 1. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we see that this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y to the power of negative s squared. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. Number 9 divided by number 3, and we have number 3 in here. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equal to number 0, y equals to negative number 4. So I will put number 0 on here and here. Y equals to negative number 4. And now we can find the value of c. That is about negative number 4. So I will put negative number 4 on here. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.